Hey guys, this is Michael Claypool up here at St. Joe Harley-Davidson. Just wanted to show you some cool stuff about the new HD radios. A lot of people don't realize that they actually have Apple CarPlay. Today we're going to go over some of the things that Apple CarPlay offers. Okay, so obviously with Apple CarPlay you're going to need an iPhone. All you have to do is plug your iPhone. Now these bikes don't come with the charger, but I'm sure if you've got an iPhone, you've got a couple of them. There's a nice little spot to tuck away your iPhone in here. All right guys, so once your iPhone is plugged in, you can tuck it into this little slot here. On your main screen with the Apple CarPlay, it gives you a lot of updates on what's going on with your phone. You can listen to music, whether it be Spotify, Pandora, any of those different outlets of streaming music. You can listen to those on the go. You can use your Bluetooth as well to stream those. Some people find it's easier to use the Apple CarPlay. If you go down here in your bottom left-hand corner, hit these little boxes there, it's gonna pop up all your apps, or all of them that can be used while on the bike. You go back through here. Me personally, I love the maps on my phone. It's just something that I've become accustomed to. So through time, I've found it a lot easier to follow the maps on my phone. If you pull up the maps here, you can actually get going. One of my favorite things about Apple CarPlay, while we're riding, sometimes we're not in the most ideal situations, or maybe, we're headed home and it's after dark. Maybe we have a spouse at home that's worried about what's going on. If you go in here, right here, you can actually share your estimated time of arrival with your spouse or a friend that's riding that maybe you're meeting up with. And whenever you share that, it'll tell them where you are and when you're supposed to be getting there. For us that don't like being tracked when we ride, you just come in here, you hit sharing, and then you just hit tap to stop. And that will quit sharing your location with your friends and family there. Again, if you go through, the bottom left-hand corner is kind of like your home button on the iPhone. You go through here, you can receive your messages through there. If you use a Bluetooth microphone, Hey Siri commands will work. You can talk to the phone. As you see right here, she heard me. With the microphone, you can answer phone calls. You can send messages without even touching anything on the bike. So this just makes it a lot easier, a little more convenient, and us that like Apple phones, we love it. So if you have any other questions about it, come in and talk to me or Jeff here at St. Joe Harley-Davidson. We'll get you squared away and show you how to make this work.